Do you know how to make a volcano eruption at home? It's super easy, and you probably have all the ingredients already. Let's do it. Cut a 2-liter bottle middle part out and use the bottom and top part so that it will look like you have a mini 2-liter bottle now. Ask mom or dad to help so you do not cut yourself. First, we're going to add a half a cup of baking soda to the bottom part of the bottle. We'll just pour it in like this. Look at that. There's a lot of baking soda in there. Now it's time to place the top part of the 2-liter bottle inside the bottom part that it fits tight. And we're going to color our vinegar with red food coloring so it looks just like lava. Just before we pour the red vinegar into the mini 2-liter plastic bottle we made earlier, where we previously poured in the baking soda at the bottom part. Now we pour the vinegar slowly in to the top of the bottle. Vinegar and baking soda react when they mix together, and voila, there we have the volcanic eruption. They make a fizzy, foamy eruption just like this. The vinegar and baking soda have a chemical reaction, so that is what makes the carbon dioxide gas. And that is what makes all the fizzy and eruption. It's the same gas that's in those party poppers. It's also what makes bread dough rise and what makes soda water all fizzy. When the gas gets trapped under the baking soda, it builds up pressure. Then when it's released, it makes the most amazing eruption. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Your homemade volcano erupts. We could do this all day long, but I think we've made enough mess. I'm going to clean up now. And remember, you can find all these ingredients at your local supermarket. Hey, me again. Do you know what else is fun? Making slime at home? Click subscribe to learn how, and I'll see you next time. This is Kiddies Club channel. We love making fun educational videos for kids. If you like our videos, please like and share it with friends and family. Stay awesome.